Well, here it is again. And now let's reveal what it really is. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Any ideas yet? Here comes the next clue. And the next clue. And yes, the answer is, this is a jeweler's loop. This end is held in your eye socket, and you peer through here, through the lens, and you can look at the piece of jewellery at great magnification. A jeweller's loop. This particular one, it's made of aluminium with a black inside and a glass lens. If you want one, you can always email me and I'll either send you one or tell you how you can buy one. Happy days!